Yum. I love the smell of cupcakes fresh out of the oven. My name is Jovi Stahl, and I am a Whitfield County 4-H'er. I believe knowing how to bake is very important. Today, I want to share what I know about safety in the kitchen, basic baking of cakes, and how to preserve your creations. There are a lot of safety measures to follow. This list is a good place to start. Washing hands is a must before and after handling food because we don't want to transmit germs around. Tie your hair back. Keep food preparation surfaces clean. Wash fruit and vegetables under cold water before use. An adult's help is important when dealing with knives and heat. I will demonstrate that when using a knife, one must cut away downward on the chopping board with fingers curled to avoid getting cut. Now on to the process. The process of basic cake batter recipe. It is best to gather all your materials first. Mixing and measuring tools, baking pans, and ingredients. A simple white cake from scratch will need sugar, butter, eggs, flour, milk, baking powder, and vanilla extract for extra flavor. On this display, I only have sugar and flour, but you may want to just buy a box of ready cake mix that needs a few ingredients. The batter can be used for a full cake or separated into liners of cupcakes. You just put them To make them colorful, you might think of adding sprinkles or food dye. You also have to think about how to set the oven. Give it time to preheat before inserting your sweet treats. Then, a timer. A timer is your best friend because you don't want to over or undercook your cake. Make sure you use a baking bin. You don't want to get burned. A toothpick. Insert it into your cake. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Allow your cake to cool down before doing anything else. Decorating is my favorite part. Decorators can use their creativity to make beautiful designs. They can also follow themes based on holidays, weddings, birthdays, and more. The key to decorating is having a cooled cake. And decorating quickly so your frosting you use neither does melt or dry up. Sometimes they're too cute to eat or too many to finish in one whole day. So, how long can I keep the cupcake? It all depends on how well you preserve it. Cupcakes should only be left at room temperature for up to 2 days. Cupcakes should be stored in the fridge and can be kept there for about 5 days before they start to get hard and dry up. However, for long-term storage, unfrosted cupcakes can be tightly wrapped with plastic or placed in a proper bag or container and preserved in the freezer for up to 3 months. When you finally get to eat your masterpiece, the time and effort invested is worth it. All of this is only a tiny fraction of everything related to cooking, but I plan to continue learning more and hope you do too, because it's fun and I believe we can all become better chefs with every visit to the kitchen. Thank you.